What's up, Kansas City? Steven St. John here with my friends from CARSTAR Auto Body Repair. Accidents happen and you can't control Mother Nature. So when your vehicle gets in a fender bender or you fall victim to hailstorms, unlucky deer, or slick roads, call the experts in auto body repair. Call CARSTAR. CARSTAR will provide you with peace of mind service from start to finish. Getting your vehicle repaired can be frustrating. CARSTAR's friendly and knowledgeable team will answer all your questions and get you back on the road without those frustrations. All the local Kansas City area CARSTAR locations are iCar and OE certified. That means they have the best body repair specialists in town and do the job right the first time. With 15 locations around the metro, CARSTAR makes it easy and convenient to get your car fixed. And did I mention they're local? CARSTAR believes in supporting the community that supports them. So when the unexpected happens and you need auto body repair, call the team that I call. Call the experts at CARSTAR Auto Body Repair. Then you can relax. They'll take it from here.